If you've ever seen Ash's website or social media called Gather and Feast, you'll know that her food always looks sensational. So today I wanted you to show me how to layer the perfect salad to make it just look so tasty that no one is going to refuse a salad.
Yes, and they won't be able to refuse this one.
Yes, I love this.
I'm going to start by slicing our orange. So I'll get you, Justine, to slice the fennel. You're going to use, I think, a mandolin. If you don't want to have one at home or if you're a bit nervous to use it, like sometimes I am,
I am too.
just really thinly slice it with your knife.
Easy.
What we're also doing here is we're using the tops of the fennel fronds. So when you're buying your fennel, look for it with the fronds still attached.
Yep.
That's going to add with our beautiful sort of styling of the salad along with the dill. Adds flavour, but also beautiful visual interest.
Now, Ash, before I continue, is this what you're wanting, as thin as that?
Yes, perfect. Okay, that is beautiful. So we're going to slice the orange into rounds. This recipe calls for orange and blood orange, but you can also use grapefruit like we have here.
Yeah.
One of each, whatever's in season, or you can just simply use 2 normal oranges. So we're going to arrange the first orange or grapefruit onto the plate.
Okay.
Anywhere is fine. That looks
enough?
beautiful.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I'm going to start slicing the next orange and then we're going to layer that with the fennel. So we'll do some of the fennel and add a little bit more of the orange. Beautiful. And so then we're going to sort of just nestle our orange around. So I might get you, Justine, to super thinly slice our shallots. Start adding some of our beautiful fennel fronds. Sort of just picking and placing around.
And we've got some avocado here too.
We have some beautiful avocado. A couple of slices of that.
Okay, this one's large.
Beautiful.
Oh, they've got a kick to them though.
Yes, those shallots are
My
strong.
eyes are stinging.
You can always place your shallots or red onion into a bowl of iced water and that will sort of take some of the pungent flavour out of them. But
Great tip.
I
should have done
kind of
that.
like it.
You like it?
I like a bit of punch to
You
it.
like the burn in the eye.
Just a bit of burn in the eye. Thinly slice our avocado and we'll sort of, again, tuck those bits in. Now with the cashews, when I'm adding nuts to a salad, sometimes I like to keep about a quarter of them whole and then keep some of them to chop. So we've got a textural element while you're eating it and then also visually as well.
Okay, nice.
So just sort of roughly chop those.
And we've toasted those too, haven't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
So roasted and salted is great.
Absolutely.
So they're ready to go. We might add our avocado first so the nuts can sort of rest on top.
It's a very simple salad, but you can see it's very thought-provoking and everything works in harmony. So now we're injecting the avocado. Why avocado? Well, it's creamy.
Yeah.
So we've got crunch, we've got acidity, but then you want some creaminess. How can you do that? You can just add some avocado.
Yeah, so this salad really has everything that we want. I'm going to add our crushed nuts. Sometimes as well when I'm scattering, I do little sort of pockets rather than one general scatter.
I like
a little
to go,
pocket
boom.
of a scatter.
I think it's a nice way to show people at home how you can take a simple salad like this to the next level just by assembling it in a certain way.
Yeah, definitely. So now we've got dill, a bit more pops of green, a bit of texture. So now we're going to dress the salad. The most important part, generously drizzle it with our olive oil.
Okay.
This is our dressing, so you do want to be generous. We've already got the acidity from the oranges and the grapefruit. Beautiful.
Lovely.
And now we'll add our salt flakes. So I like to focus and concentrate on the avocado and the fennel when I'm adding the salt.
They love salt, don't they?
They do love salt. So we're getting the best of everything in all of our bites. And now black pepper, which is also important. And again, I sort of like to add it in little pockets. And there we have it. Super easy, simple, crunchy, creamy, zingy. What more could
Give me a high five, because I just think that's so lovely and everyone at home can make their salads look great just by a few little things that we've learnt today. And most importantly, yes, it's got to look good, but this is going to taste incredible. Thanks, Ash.